Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1 inch, the whole peculiarity and principal focal point of this digital money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance collection specialist organization 1 inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1 inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness. 1 inch has acquired incredible importance. Before we start with point-by-point 1 inch cost forecast, really take a look at the outline. 1 inch that makes all the difference. 1 inch disseminated numerous tokens, be that as it may. The local token 1INCH became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1INCH cost figures related news began flowing on the lookout. The most significant element that moves development is the cost of the 1INCH token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower speedier execution enhancements bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1 inch convention gives the stage to exchanging tracking down the best arrangements across different decentralized trades, DUSs. 1 inch partnerships. Once the 1 inch extended to Binance, there was contest among adversaries to trade by means of 1 inch in light of token cost. As said by Sergey Kunz, co-pioneer at 1 inch network, at present the 1 inch aggregation protocol is now sent on Polygon, while the 1 inch liquidity protocol and the 1 inch governance protocol are supposed to grow over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and brokers getting to 1 inch by means of others like Polygon benefit gigantically. Clients additionally benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of token cost. The 1INCH simulator. The aforementioned move of trading cryptographic forms of money gives 1 inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Curve, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the primary Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1 inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized determinations to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through 1INCH can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1INCH cost expectation 2022, the token could cross $0.161. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost guess for 2026 is $0.0555. As indicated by our 1INCH cost forecast 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Furthermore, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. In light of the most recent news updates and estimates, it is an extraordinary chance to put resources into 1INCH tokens as it might cross $5.217477 in 1 year. 1INCH price predictions, 2022 to 2026. At the hour of composing this crypto cost estimate, the ongoing cost of 1INCH is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the token has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year, with a coursing supply of 412,981,641 INCH. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1INCH price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that 1INCH is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the diagram, it is clear that 1INCH also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it a significant venture. 1INCH price prediction 2023. Going by the examination of short and long-haul cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for 1INCH cost for heightening, particularly with other crypto rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the graph. There is a determined possibility of 1INCH causing a misfortune, yet just small, dropping to $4.40. 1INCH price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by waged that 1INCH would control the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the vary that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1INCH can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, and contrast with other cryptographic forms of money like BTC and DTH. 1INCH price prediction 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as 1INCH coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Essentially on the grounds that this year, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is guessed that a majority of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fix work in every single world economy. 1INCH price prediction 2026. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1INCH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Thus, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity definitely. Brokers and investors have begun wagering on the long run for the 1INCH development, following its worth intently as a venture choice. Thus, the 1INCH cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost can leap to $6.20 by December. 1INCH price prediction beyond 2026. Master merchants of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain instead of present moment because of the element of instability. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect to circle back by 1INCH token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1INCH would be not any more a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money.